technology has advanced significantly in recent years, it is unlikely that I will completely replace human programmers in the near future. As an AI language model, I can say that it is unlikely that I will completely replace human programmers in the near future. While AI technology has advanced significantly, there are still certain aspects of programming that require human creativity, intuition, problem-solving skills that can't be easily replicated by AI. Despite recent substantial advancements in AI technology, some programming tasks still call for human creativity, intuition, and problem-solving abilities that I cannot readily imitate. Programming involves not only writing code but also understanding the problem domain, designing solutions, debugging, and testing. Human programmers have the ability to interpret and understand the context and meaning of the problem, and use their creativity and intuition to come up with innovative and efficient solutions. AI, on the other hand, is designed to perform specific tasks based on the data it is trained on, and may not be able to generalize to new and unfamiliar situations. Moreover, programming involves more than just writing code that works. It also requires understanding the business logic and goals, and being able to communicate effectively with stakeholders and other members of the development team. This requires social and emotional intelligence that AI does not currently possess. That being said, I can assist human programmers in various ways, such as automating repetitive and tedious tasks, code snippets, detecting errors and vulnerabilities, and optimizing performance. I can also help programmers to learn and improve their skills by providing personalized feedback and recommendations. In summary, while AI is advancing rapidly and can be a valuable tool for programmers, it is unlikely to completely replace human programmers in the near future. As programming involves a complex set of skills and tasks that require human creativity, intuition, and social intelligence.